Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook session expire problem on your iPhone, iPad and as well as Android devices. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, go to App Store or the Play Store, then check the update is there is any update available for Facebook. If is there is, then update the app first. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we have to go to settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap iPhone storage. If you are Android user, then tap and hold the Facebook and clear cache and data of the Facebook app. And in iPhone and iPad, tap on offload app, then tap offload app to confirm. After that, we have to force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the force restart, go back to App Store and re-download the Facebook. The next solution is we have to launch settings, general, tap on date and time and make sure that set automatically is enabled. Then go back to settings and tap on battery and disable low power mode. Then again go back to settings and general. Here we have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.